Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're all doing great. Today's video is all about two hot new updates for two powerful bots that are making waves right now. We'll be diving into updates for the WCoin bot and the BLUM bot. So if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Also, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. First up, let's talk about the new feature just added to the WCoin bot called WGalaxy. So what's WGalaxy? Think of it as a premium pass, like the OG pass in Cats. The main perk here? It triples everything for you. That's right, it triples your tasks, taps, invites, everything. For instance, if you'd normally earn 1,000 points for something, it's now 3,000. But that's not all. WGalaxy lets you unlock 100% of your airdrop at the time of launch, whether it's points or tokens. No need to wait. You'll get your airdrop instantly and before anyone else. This gives you a massive advantage. Just to be clear, I'm not telling you to invest or subscribe, but it's a cool new feature to know about. The third benefit is that you'll receive 50 million coins to use for upgrades. This can really give you a boost. Plus, your WAI claims will be doubled, meaning you can collect those coins faster. For those who might not know what WAI is, don't worry, I'll show you in a sec. Now, as a WGalaxy member, you'll also get access to exclusive online and offline events. These are special gatherings or events that only Galaxy members can join. And the last feature is the community reward pool. This means you'll get a share of the reward pool from any future events. The subscription cost for WGalaxy is paid in TON, just like the OG Pass. You just hit Connect Wallet, and once you pay in TON, you're all set. Moving on to the WAE feature, on the main screen next to WGalaxy, you'll see a tab called WAI. Click on it, and this section will pop up. Here, you can collect coins and level up. Don't skip out on this. It's important to keep gathering WAI because it helps you upgrade, similar to card upgrades. Just keep collecting, leveling up, and maximizing your balance. All right, let's switch gears and dive into the updates for BLUM. As you can see, there's a new feature called the Drop Game, where dogs tokens are being added as part of a special collaboration. This feature is being released gradually to different users, not just to BLUM ambassadors as some rumors suggested. It's accessible to everyone, not just a reward for ambassadors. Now, as more users join, this feature will be rolled out slowly. The dogs tokens you earn from the drop game will show up in your wallet. Right next to your BLUM points, you'll see the dog's balance, which also shows its value in dollars. Even if it's a small amount, this feature lets you earn a bit extra, especially useful if you haven't been using your cards or have a lot of cards saved up. And that's the rundown on the latest updates. I kept it short and sweet, around 4 minutes. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.